Hello everybody, this is Gareth Cahoon Speaks back here with another video. I'd like you to hit the subscribe bar or give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or give me a comment, it would be greatly appreciated, or hit the notification bell to be notified when I post my next video. Or otherwise you can look me up at my website, which is www.garethcahoon.co.uk. Or if you like my ministry and the kind of content that I'm sharing, you can donate by hitting PayPal garethcahoon3@gmail.com. This one is a cute wee story about how hospital therapy dogs help rehabilitate traumatized patients in Israel. The idea of clowns in hospitals to raise spirits and improve the well-being of patients and caretakers is well known, but dogs, over the past few years, senior nurse Karen Matry has been bringing specially trained dogs into wards at the Rabin Medical Center in Israel with remarkable results. The initiative has been operating for 6 years in total, according to reports on the media line by Mayan Hoffman, and now the results of the therapy are being observed and measured by a team of clinicians. Matry has been taking her dogs, Teddy and Yule, into the medical centre for the last 4 years, and says the help they provide is beyond simply bringing joy, but that the breakthroughs from dog therapy can even be better than a drug from a doctor or a nurse. While hygiene might seem like a concern, Matry takes extensive precautions to maintain the highest standards of cleanliness, ensuring the dogs are thoroughly bathed using antibacterial cleansers on patients before and after each visit, and placing a clean sheet over the bed, covering with when a dog joins a patient on the bed, and the results are worth the effort. Results have shown that therapy dogs can reduce stress, depression and anxiety, according to News Medical Net. In addition, animal assisted therapy results in measurably improved motor and physical ability, gains and improvements in mental and behavioural health in patients with neurological diseases, according to a study published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health. Another published in the journal Neurology found an average decrease of 43% in the frequency of seizures among those who were paired with a seizure alert dog. Now further research is underway in RMC's neurological department, led by Matry alongside physiotherapist Shlomi Shushat and Yuval Levinsky, in collaboration with senior physician Dr. Yonatan Naftali. The study is examining the measurable benefits of medical dog therapy combined with structured physiotherapy sessions and its impact on rehabilitation. The cute canines have brought significant breakthrough in the lives of several patients, helping a soldier so traumatized by the violence that left him blind in one eye after witnessing the death of his friend that he couldn't speak, finally started to talk again. To little Teddy, one of the therapy dogs, Matry told the medical line that something shifted. The soldier opened up, began to cry, and also began speaking to the dog. She gave other examples how therapy dogs have helped to bring unresponsive patients back into action, and others with mental blocks and fears, including Nova survivors, find breakthroughs. The positive developments give hope to the families of patients, as well as the dog's presence helps people to open up. He does not judge them, Matry said. Interaction with therapy dogs has been found to increase oxytocin while decreasing levels of stress hormones, beneficial to patients with mental health disorders and post-traumatic stress, but are also in intensive care with geriatrics and in neurological departments, according to the media line. Senior neurologist and head of the neuroimmunology clinic at RMC, Dr. Mark Hellyman, told the media line that therapy dogs can help patients react and interact. There's certainly lots of research that has been done in the field of autism and the use of animals with people with autism, where the connection is much easier with an animal than it is with a human being. Animals have seniors that we don't have, Hellman explained. So there are all sorts of diseases like epilepsy and others where there are subtle things that happen to a patient and a dog through their sense, though their senses can detect things that we wouldn't be able to detect. Animals can cause stimulation of areas that human beings wouldn't be able to reach and therefore improve rehabilitation and speed up rehabilitation. Moreover, interacting with dogs can help prevent post-traumatic stress disorder from developing. After a traumatic event, a soldier could be in acute stress and doctors or nurses may not be able to read him. Somehow, when the dog is there, you can ask the soldier not to speak to the nurse or doctor but speak to the dog, Hellman said. Just looking into the dog's eyes, there's something in the chemistry that happens between a human and a dog that can break that threshold and let things come out. With the team at RMC fully convinced of the benefits of dog therapy, the treatment has been incorporated into the care offered by the hospital. Every department needs to have a dog like this, said Matry. So this here picture behind me is of a patient that is actually being treated by a therapy dog, and I know what that's like because I'm paralysed from the shoulders down, and I have a wee dog that I named Star after the Star of David, and she is just sits up in the chair in my bedroom, and the amount of joy that I get from seeing her whenever she runs in the mornings after being in the back hall at night. She just so cheers up the room, and I can so understand how this would benefit um, patients and IDF soldiers alike who have been traumatized from October 7th. So this is a wonderful thing that they're doing, and in my opinion there's needs to be a lot more of it, especially in places like homes, care homes and nursery schools where the kids have autism and Down syndrome and the likes, and these dogs could really help in a big way. So this is a good news story, and it's coming to you by way of Gareth Cahoon Speaks. Shalom, Maranatha, and Hallelujah.